Good evening. Hello, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube. Yes, this is my George. And also this one. Where are you? Oh, where's the light? I need lights. Oh my god. There's no light. Sorry. And also this one. Alright, my shoes. Okay. And my bag. Alright. The bag. What's this? Yes, baby. This is the one that I love. Ganyan siya. Yan. So this kabila. And this one. Tights. Ayan, dalawa to. Ayan siya. Ito. Stocking. At mga alahas. Mga diamondo. Dapat ko suotin mamaya. Okay? Oh my God. Thank you guys. Ayan. Di ba? Kumikintab siya. You know? Wala naman, di ba nakikintab to? Kuna. Ayan. Ayan. Ayan siya. Yung bag. Ayan o. Ayan. Maganda siya. Saka yung isa. Ito rin. Ayan. Kawai. Kasama to. Maliit. Saka yung isa. Ito pa. Ayan. Maganda rin siya. Ayan. Ganda ng shoes, oh. Ganda ng shoes. Diyos ko. Ano ko na, bahay ko na. Bahay ko. Ito yung pag-ahay. Dumating na ito yun. Ito yun. Ayan. Okay, guys. This is my... Diyos ko yung bahay ko. Tingnan mo. Ayan. Yung Panginoon ko, Jesus Christ. Santo Niño over here. You're so beautiful. I love you. Panginoon ko. Okay. I have to take a shower. Bye-bye. Thank you. Good day. Thank you so much. If the other one. Ganda, di ba? Oh, you got pick. Thank you, guys. See you around. All right. What's Kibuloy? Pastor Kibuloy, what's this? For the good and the brighter future in our country, Philippines. Okay, guys? That's all. Bye-bye. Thank you.